It is dumb hot outside. Like, it don't make no sense how hot it is out there. So good morning, everybody. Welcome to what's today? Day 4. Wow. Welcome to day 4 of the Carnival Magic vlogs. Man, we finally made it to Freeport, guys. We got here about, I noticed the ship was docked when I woke up around 6 o'clock, going on 6 o'clock this morning. Yeah. Really just been chilling out in the room. Haven't really done anything. Been watching this movie on TV called Ad Astra. But it's a pretty good movie. You got Tom Cruise, Tommy Lee Curtis. It's a really good movie. So, but I'm about to head down to the buffet. I'm hungry. Actually wanted to watch the entire movie, but yeah, I'm hungry, and I kind of want to go ahead and get off the ship and explore Freeport, see what they have to offer, and then from there, we're just going to get back on the ship and we're just going to enjoy the day. But I've been noticing, it must be a fire or something going on, but I mean, it's been going on ever since we got here this morning. Not on the ship, but let me just show you guys instead of just telling you. You guys see that big? Y'all see the cloud, the smoke cloud? Like, it is huge. I don't know if they're intentionally burning something or if like trees or something on fire. They could be intentionally burning something, probably like trash or something, you know, since we are on the island and stuff. They don't, they just burn their trash, so. But it's just crazy to just see that large smoke plume coming from the ground. It's just like everything is normal, like a normal day here in Freeport. So, but yeah, as you guys can see, like Freeport is, I believe, like the main port for the Bahamas. So you can see them loading containers and unloading containers. Yeah, it's pretty cool, but this is my view. So we're not port side, but alright, if you guys look all the way out there, you see it look like those oil tankers right there, but past the oil tankers all the way out there, they look like that's like an oil rig, which is pretty cool to see that close. But I never seen one that looked like that. I don't even know if that is an oil rig, but it's just pretty cool. But yeah, the alarms that you're hearing going off is they've been doing their emergency drills all morning long. So yeah, if you wanted to sleep in, yeah, that was a no, because they've been coming on their announcements. See,
once again, Carnival Magic family, attention all crew. At this time, please make sure that you are adhering to all of our safety protocols. That means keeping those masks up through the duration of the drill, and of course, when possible, maintaining your distancing. Once again, remember to keep those masks up and maintain your distancing throughout the rest of the drill today.
Yeah, so they've been doing those all morning long. So I mean, every time they do it, they mute the TV, but it's been alright. Like I said, I just really been chilling out. Was really tired last night after spending the day in the Blue Lagoon Island. So right now I am about to, like I said, head downstairs and get some breakfast. Alright guys, so as you could, I'm up here on 11th day. And I just wanted to show you guys what the port of Freeport looks like. Now, I have always, you know, looking at different cruise vlogs, I've always heard that there's really not much to Freeport unless you have excursions planned. And, you know, just seeing it with my own eyes, like, people are right. I mean, they got Senior Frogs, they got the, you know, look like the straw market over here. They got more. So yeah, we're gonna get off the ship and see exactly what they're gonna offer. I see they got like the taxis and stuff that's coming to pick the people up in that roundabout, I guess, to take you outside of the island. I mean, outside of the port. But I mean, just looking, I don't know exactly where you would go. You know, so we'll see once we get down there. But yeah, so it look like a little slight day, you know, just get off the boat, walk around the port for a little bit, and then come back on and enjoy the rest of the festivities on the ship. But until then, I'll see you guys once I get down into the Lido buffet. All right, what's up, everybody? So, just finally got my breakfast. The line, it really wasn't long, but for some odd reason, it seemed like people were waiting for certain foods and things of that nature. So, for breakfast today, I got sausage, bacon, omelet, if that's what you want to call it. Like, she messed up the omelet, but it pretty is going to be good. And I got the round potatoes there. So let me show you guys so you can see what I'm about to eat. All right. So, yeah, we're here in Freeport. Yeah, it's like really, it's just a bunch of shops, really. I did see Senior Frogs, so we may go up in there and see what's going on. Who knows? But I kind of understand why people skip this port, per se. Like, they don't get off the ship, because there's really nothing to it. But hey, let me finish eating this food, and then we'll go down and take a look for ourselves. Alright, y'all, just made it off the ship. We're here at Freeport, Bahamas. Yeah. We're gonna walk around this port, see what they got going on. I do see they have, you know, some bars. Of course, they got Senior Frogs, but I do see some like other bars and stuff like that that I may want to chill at. So, like, they got Dick and Willie's Daiquiri Bar, so I may go there since we did Senior Frogs a while ago. Yeah, but this seems like this is gonna be like a real chill, laid back day. But since we already in the port, let me show you guys what's going on. Something, boy, it's hot out here. Yeah, I'm not gonna stay out here long. It's real hot out here. So we're gonna check out some of these shops, see what they got, you know. May want to buy a couple of shirts or two, or 3 or 4, who knows. But yeah. Guys, so yeah, I got the shot of the sign, so now I'm about to just walk through all the shops and I'll show you guys what everything looks like. So when you come to Freeport, you know what you want to buy. So right here you have Sharkies. And you have a lot of these, I would say like straw market type where they're making real crabs and live time. We got tents right here for shade purposes. What's up, fam? So I'm heading back to the ship. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour around the port of Freeport, Bahamas. But yeah, I'm getting back on the ship. It's extremely hot out here. So see y'all once I get back on board. Alright guys, so as y'all can see down there, it is still burning. It looks like it's gotten even worse. So if y'all know exactly what they doing as far as burner or whatever, they burning trash or whatever, put it down in the comments. Cause that looks bad. What's up, y'all? So I just made it back to the room. It is dumb hot outside. Like, it don't make no sense how hot it is out there. So I literally, the sun just beat me up. I'm glad I followed my wife's advice and put on sunscreen, because I never do. So hopefully I don't get sunburned. But yeah, as you can see from the port of Freeport, there's nothing really to it. You know, they have the same shops that you normally would go to when you're out in the different ports of call. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. So whenever you guys do decide to come to Freeport, you know what they're offering at the port. I did see a lot of people take like taxis and stuff of that nature. I guess to the city of Freeport, because it's not like a lot of other ports. As soon as you're able to walk outside of the port, you're within the local city. Like, you literally have to drive out, get a cab or taxi. I know they say it's like a 14-minute walk to one of the nearest like beach destinations, but ain't nobody trying to walk 14 minutes in the sun. And I believe they're charging $14 one way, I believe. It could be round trip, but yeah, they're only charging $14 for the cab. So yeah, just keep that in mind, folks. There was a lot of people who were getting off the ship thinking that they were going to be walking towards the beach, but there was no beach. So I'm actually going to chill out here for a little bit in this AC. Get my mind right, because right now I'm like, that's wore me out. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm laying down in Bonnie. That's how tired I am, or not even tired, but just how drained